Now, almost everyone is aware that as you get older, collagen levels in your skin decline, and that leads to a lot of things, especially with the signs of aging, loose skin, crepiness, fine lines, and wrinkles become more apparent. Those dynamic wrinkles that happen when we smile, frown, cry, laugh, whatever, live life, start to become static and stick around, and nobody likes that. Now, of course, there are a host of ways, science-backed ways, to improve collagen in the skin and indeed in other areas of the body where collagen is needed. In fact, it's most of our body. It's the connective tissue that actually holds everything together. Joints, muscles, cartilage, bone health, all of that has collagen involved. So what can you do to make sure that you maintain it or even improve and generate more of it as you get older? Clearly, this can be done through the diet. I talk a lot about taking collagen peptides, which are amino acids, as a part of your diet to help improve collagen levels. And there have been plenty of studies that have come out in the last 3 years that prove it does make a difference to have collagen peptides in your diet. If you haven't checked out that video yet, I will put a link to it in the video description. I highly recommend that you watch it. There'll also be a link where you can find collagen peptides for your diet as well. But today we're going to talk about how to support collagen in the skin from the outside using two ingredients that are very common in skincare. You're going to have heard about them, but when combined in your routine can really make a significant difference. The first set of ingredients I'm going to talk about are collagen peptides. Now again, collagen peptides in your diet, certainly an important way to support this, but you also can use them on the surface of the skin. These are the amino acids that are actually the building blocks of collagen. And when combined with vitamin C, either L-ascorbic acid, which is the stronger, less stable type that's common in many vitamin C serums, or the more stable, more gentle, that ingredient, sodium ascorbyl phosphate, stable, gentle. So if you have sensitive skin issues, that would be the one you would want to choose, but either will work. When combining these two common skincare ingredients together in your routine, vast difference in the look and feel of your skin, with one particular peptide ingredient showing real improvement, pentapeptide number 4. Now, I've talked about a host of vitamin C serums and reviewed them here on the channel. Same with peptide combinations. Today, I'm going to be using my own formulations. You don't have to use these, but these are the ones that I use. I'm going to show you how to use them in your skincare routine, where they go. There will also be links to these two products down below in the video description box if you want to check out my personal brand. So where these go in your skincare routine, both of them water-based serums most of the time. That is the case. Water-based serums and treatments need to go on cleansed skin before any other occlusive type of product, which means any type of oils or moisturizers. Those are always going to go on last. And of course, sunscreen always lasts during the day. Well, let's talk about peptides first. Again, pentapeptide 4, that's in my formulation. The reason it's in this particular product is that it provides visible improvement immediately and over time, which has been proven in many clinical tests. In fact, this main ingredient results in about a 44 to 50% reduction in fine lines and wrinkles, while giving a 16 to 20% increase in lift and tightness of the skin. Now, why there's a difference in those percentages is everybody's body chemistry is a little bit different. So on the low end, you can expect at least a 44% improvement. On the high end, about a 50% improvement, taking away half the depth of the wrinkles on the skin. And this can be used anywhere: arms, hands, neck, chest, all the common areas that show signs of aging. And of course, it's designed for all skin types for the face. So it's a clear water-based serum, as I said. You simply want to pat that into the areas you want to treat. And of course, there are other skin improving ingredients in this peptide formulation. Daisy flower extract, which helps lighten and brighten dark areas, evening out your complexion. And along with sodium hyaluronate and squalene to help with moisture levels in the skin. Next, we want to talk about vitamin C and its role in collagen production in the skin, or its supportive role. Now, we know vitamin C helps stop oxidation of skin cells, stops free radicals. A very important product to have in your skincare routine. In fact, out of the 5 I say need to be in every anti-aging skincare routine, vitamin C is always number 1. It's going to help reduce age spots and hyperpigmentation, reverse sun damage. And this particular formulation is so mild, it's used in clinics and spas for post-microdermabrasion, laser, and skin peel. So very gentle to the skin formula that's going to help support the peptide complex in your routine, helping to spark even more collagen production, protecting those elastin fibers, keeping them flexible, and helping to lift and tighten the skin. All of this from 2 topical products when used together. Okay, so when it comes to applying vitamin C serum, much the same. It is a water-based gel. You're gonna pat that in to the areas you want to treat, avoiding the upper eye area. Vitamin C, no matter how mild, can be irritating to your eyelid skin because it's so very thin and sensitive. I always like to make sure I get this area around my ears because that's an area that ages on a lot of people and wrinkles up. Fortunately, I've been paying attention to these 2 areas for a really long time, so I don't have that issue. Again, water-based serums absorb really quickly, and now I'm ready for moisturizer, any other treatments, and of course, sunscreen. So for that reason, in my own signature skincare line, Clear Revolution Skincare, this is now a bundle where you can get these 2 together as an item, save some money when you do it that way, and get a really powerful strategy for improving collagen production and giving your best looking, youthful looking skin ever. So if you haven't included these 2 products together in your skincare routine, I would recommend you consider trying that out. When you do add anything new to your skincare routine, it's very important to take that selfie when you start, one at 30 days, 60 days, and 90 days, because it takes some time for skin to show the results of treatments because this outer layer has to shed off so the new skin you've been treating can come to the surface and be seen. Again, I will put links down below for recommended products for this, including mine. There'll also be a coupon code to save money should you decide to use my particular products. Regardless, this is something you need to think about adding to your skincare routine, especially an anti-aging strategy. It needs to start in your 30s, so if you're in your 30s, 40s, 50s, or 60s like me, and you're seeing this video, this is going to be something that's going to really be a game changer for your skincare routine. And for even more ways to roll back that clock on skin and body aging, be sure to check out this video that's coming up next. Thank you guys for supporting the channel and my work. I appreciate you really so much. That said, stay beautiful, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you over on that next video.